Hey, what's going on, everyone? So last time I started my hoop house. Now I'm just gonna keep chipping away at it, see how much I can get done. So I had the hoops up. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna do the ridge beam right now. I'm using a treated 1x4 for the ridge beam. I'm not worried about it being treated because it's not gonna be in contact with my soil. What I did so that the screw sits flush is I took a paddle bit and I marked the depth with a piece of tape. That allows me to bore a hole just deep enough to cover the head of my self-tapping screw. That way I can put the plastic over it and I don't have to worry about the plastic being ripped on the screw head. Originally I was going to put some treated 1x4s along the sides, but the more I thought about it, it just didn't make sense to use the wood there because I'm going to attach the plastic to the baseboards anyway and use the ends to regulate temperature. So I think I can get by without using those and save the lumber for my longer 40-footer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw a door on and go from there. Okay, so I have all those marked off. What I'm going to do is make some half-lap joints. Okay, so I cleaned out those cuts with my chisel and I'm just going to throw them up and make a little doorway guy. So I have the ends up. Now I'm ready to put plastic on. finished up the plastic. I threw together a door real quickly. I cut out the plastic and threw it on, so I'm done. I'll give you the tour. Ended up using an old outlet for a little handle. I need to get a thermometer because I can already tell it's a lot hotter in here than outside. It's about mid 40s outside and sunny, but it feels about 70s in here. 60s maybe? I don't know. My temperature radar is pretty broken from the winter. So on the door here, I left 3 inches between the top, the header, and the bottom of my poles. So I can run a 2x4, I can notch out 1/2 inch and sneak a 2x4 in here and run it just underneath my poles. I'll throw a 4x4 in the middle and then a 4x4 on the end, and I can run it to support the top for snow. I'm not going to do it yet because I have a while till I worry about snow again in major doses, and plus the ground is still pretty frozen, so it'll be easier for me to dig those holes in the middle of summer or end of summer. So I'm going to run another 4x4 right here to sit right underneath the 2x4 just for support. But then also what I'll do is I'm going to run some shelves off it, and then I'll make a window here, and I'm going to build a fan on the shelves, and then also use the shelves to start seeds. So that's my basic hoop house. It ended up being about 19.5 foot long by a little over 12 feet wide. I'm going to go along the baseboards and tighten it up a little bit more, but overall I think I'm pretty much done. Thanks for hanging out while I built it. If you have any questions, throw those in the comments. Take it easy.